How to open Clipboard in Windows. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you'll need to open up your settings. Open up your settings and head over to System. After you head over to System, simply scroll down till you find Clipboard. Now tap on Clipboard and you will see on the top Clipboard History. Now make sure that you turn this on, and here you can even set up some of the settings. Now you can set it up to your liking, and after you do so you can head back. Now let us open a note, and now what you'll need to do is you'll need to press on Windows plus V, and after you do so you will see all of your clipboard. Now let me do that again. So this is the clipboard. Now as you can see right here, there is nothing on it right now, but if we just go ahead and copy some of this, copy these, let me copy this too. And now if I go again and tap on Windows V, you will see all of the things that I just copied. Now you will need to just clear this eventually. So if you want to keep some items without clearing everything up, simply pin them as you can see right there and tap on clear. After you do that, you will only have the things that you've cleared, and from here you can choose what you want to paste. And yeah, that is basically how you enable Clipboard in your Windows. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.